Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the third part from this belt tensioner, which will be the pulley. Will be this one right here. We have here all the dimension we need and it's not that complicated to make. So let's start. This is how it's going to look at the end. Let's begin by opening a new part. And here let's make plain white. And let's open a sketch in the front plane. Now here we'll start with a center line. And we'll have to select line. We'll make the next sketch just like this. Alright, when you have the sketch and it's looking like this, let's make a center line. We'll make a center line from this middle point to this center point, and let's make this center line vertical. Okay, and let's select all of these lines and this center line. Okay, maybe not. I was thinking that maybe we can apply the relation of symmetry, but it's not working. So instead let's select this both, make them equal, make these two equal, make these two equal, make these two collinear. Okay, make these other two also collinear. Don't make these two equal. Actually, that's enough. Let's select Smart Dimension and let's start dimensioning this. First, here will be the diameter 30 millimeters. Here will be the diameter 48. And here will be the diameter 100. Okay. This one will have 4 millimeters. From this line to this one, here will be 22. And here the angle will be 30 degrees. Okay. And now from this line to this one, here will be 18. Okay, select this line with this one and select here collinear. And now this line here should have 6. Okay, let's see. So select this center line with these two lines and select here on the left symmetric. Okay, now this is looking better. Now Smart Dimension will have to give some more dimensions. First, from this line to this one, here will be 31. Okay, and let's see what else we need. And now we'll have to select this line with this one and select here make parallel. This should fully define the sketch. And now we have all the dimensions and everything. Now let's go to features and select revolve with boss base command. And here we'll have to select this center line and press OK. Nice, and now this is almost finished. We'll have to apply two fillets. So select fillet. The first fillet will have the radius 6. Select this edge, press OK. And the next one will have radius 3. and select this other edge and press OK. Now we'll have to apply the material. So right click on material, edit material, and will be the same one, steel 1020. Apply and close. Now this is finished. Let's save it. And this was it. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for today. This was the third part from this belt tensioner. And I hope to see you in the next video.